Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook dried beans the Brazilian way. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna discard the soaking water. Place in a pressure cooker. Add water. Close and lock the lid. When it starts to build pressure, I'm gonna cook for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the induction hob and leave the pressure cooker closed until naturally release the pressure. Caution! Never try to release the pressure placing under the sink tap. See the firefighter's advice.
Tudo que se esquenta, expande. Quando eu coloco embaixo da torneira, automaticamente o material se retrai. E a água cai na tampa da panela. O risco da tampa retrair e extravasar é absurdo. Entendeu? Então, qual que é a dica? Fiz o meu cozimento, exemplo, de um feijão, que dura cerca de 15 minutos. Desligo o fogo e deixo ela sozinha.
I'm gonna grab a portion of cooked beans. Mash and set aside. In another saucepan, I'm gonna pour oil, add bacon, crushed garlic clove, the cooked beans I set aside, and stir fry. I'm gonna place the remaining cooked beans cooking salt, and cook until thickened. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!